Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today at GNS Designs, here located in Dekalb, Illinois. On today's episode, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working on this S550 Red GT, which is my favorite color of my jam. It's my thing. Love red, if you can't tell, red's my logo and everything. But anyways, we're going to take this bad boy right here. And we're gonna put black stripes on it from the bottom of the bumper all the way up to the top and to the back. So yeah, check it out, see what it looks like right now. Yeah, buddy, look at this thing. I got a blue one. It ain't a GT, but I still love my car. So yeah, red's definitely a badass color. But yeah, so we're gonna take this car right here, this Mustang GT, and we're gonna put some gloss black stripes on it. So stay tuned, hit the like, subscribe, notification button, leave me a comment because you know you want to at least say something. But anyways, until then, see you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, so basically what you're doing right now is you're measuring out the hood. So I gave myself at least an extra inch. So an inch to here is just a little over 54.5. So I'm gonna go 55 so that way I can tuck it in. Then you got from here to here, the whole space of it is pretty much 80 inches. So but we're gonna get rid of all that. Alright guys, so let me show you something. So when you try to put it on dry, you get these bubbles when you put it on dry, which is not really cool. But when you put it on wet, as you can see right there, when it dries, you get all that out. It looks nice and smooth like a baby's butt. So try to use some slip solution. If you use too much, it is a pain in the butt to work with. But yeah, you can see those bubbles right there from doing it dry. So I'm gonna peel it back off and put the solution underneath it. Alright guys, we finished the Mustang. Hit that like, subscribe, notification button. Guess what? Leave a comment. Tell us what you like, don't like about this Mustang. You know, red and black always look good together. So with that being said, here's the stripes. Until then, catch you in the next video. Until then, peace out.